Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Enough Power TV. Today I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to actually make 12,000 rand with your 5,000 rand salary. Um, like I said, how do you make 12,000 rand from a 5,000 rand salary? When you look at it, it's impossible, cannot be done. But it is possible when you utilize, you take advantage of the law of paying yourself first. The law of paying yourself first is an ancient law that was used by the people of Babylon, that is centuries ago. Simply put, the law of Babylon says once you get your salary, you can dedicate a certain percentage of how much you earn. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If you earn 5,000 rand, the 20, I usually advise that you put 20% of how much you earn. 20% of how much you earn of 5,000 rand is 1,000 rand. You see, in that way, you put 1,000 rand aside, and then you start making the budget on 4,000 rand. That's a simple ways of saying you put 1,000 rand every month. In 12 months, you have 12,000 rand. Okay, I'm just gonna take a piece of paper and just show you the calculation. So from your 5,000 salary, you multiply by 20%. 20% of 5,000, it's simply 1,000. So in other words, this is the money that you put aside before you do your budget. So in other words, if you keep your 1,000 rand every month for 12 months, you definitely make 12,000 rand a year. That's how simple the law is. You simply dedicate 20% of how much you earn. Doesn't matter how much you earn, then you put that 30% away. I mean, what makes difficult for most people is that this law is not embedded in them. It's not the part of the culture. It's not something that was taught to us when we were at school.